There's a lot of noise and political comment around investing in UK PLC, which is fine, but it's easy to forget that the vast majority of employment and industrial output in this country is actually produced by the SME sector, UK and Co, if you will. Keith Morgan, the chief exec of British Business Bank, has recently gone on record as saying that in the USA, there exists the capability for large pension funds to invest directly in small business across the States. No such system exists in the UK, and he has established a working group of large pension providers to look at feasibility around allowing or designing a structure whereby pension funds can invest in smaller business. Why would he do this? Where is the interest in this? Quite simply because pension funds are the single largest repository of money in the country. £2.5 trillion worth of private pension fund monies, and growing. Currently, the way that pension funds have to conduct themselves, they, by the very nature of their stewardship of other people's money, have to be profoundly risk averse. And therefore, when they decide what their investment strategy is going to look like, they tend to mirror that strategy against the background of what their liabilities are likely to be over the medium term, and therefore they have to maintain levels of liquidity, they have to maintain a low risk profile, and so on and so forth. Nowhere in that world of custodial duty is there a little chink that says, and we're able to take some of this money and inject it into a very important sector of the economy, whereby our members' money isn't just working for them, but it's actually acting in the public good and the good of the economy as well. They don't have that leeway within their terms of reference at the moment. See, one obvious stumbling block is one of size. Pension fund investments tend to be in the billions upon billions, and they are simply not structured to lend £100,000 to a haulier from Nottingham. That's not what they do. They will invest £100 million in a shopping centre, absolutely fine, and essentially that's what their property funds do all day and every day. But they are not designed to operate as a bank with essentially small business underwriting capability and all that. So a mechanism needs to be found to allow them to invest in bulk and with confidence. I think the peer-to-peer structure, and indeed the peer-to-peer lenders themselves, could be the solution that this needs in order to allow pension fund monies to invest in the SME marketplace in a meaningful way and in volumes that would then become attractive to them. I think it's fair to say that this initiative, Keith Morgan's initiative, to me makes a great deal of sense. Harnessing the long-term, patient investment power of pension funds in the UK, we're talking about a huge amount of money here, could be transformational for the access to finance for the SME sector, and I really hope this initiative comes to something.